the empty fuel light has just come on and the warning beeper beeped.
It's not empty, it's low fuel, empty.
I'm trying to be dramatic.
You are dramatic.
You're dramatic.
Oh, donkeys.
Those donkeys are being dramatic.
Goats, sheep, oh, baby goat, kids. Kids.
Anyway,
Yeah.
back to us. We're 1.8 kilometres out of town. Are we going to make it? Find out in the next episode. Yeah, I don't know. Looks like we're going to make it. So yeah, we made it. All good. Got the diesel. It's cheap. Well, it's cheap for the area. But you know how all petrol stations have these big roofs to keep you out of the rain and the sun?
This one's BYO.
Yeah, that's enough.
So, I had a little surprise for Howie on our drive. We did a little stop off. What was it?
It was a pink lake.
It's a pink lake. What else about the pink lake?
It had a worm.
It had a what?
A worm.
What was the name of the town?
It was an eel. That's
Yeah.
it. The name of the town was Lochiel, and they had a Loch Ness monster in the middle of their pink lake. It was very cool.
I thought it. Sorry. I thought it was just going to be a bit naff and funny, but actually turned out to be really quite spectacular.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If you're in the area,
Yeah.
come and look at it.
The lake is really vast and keeps going as you drive away from it as well. It has lots of little islands in it. Different times of the year it's probably pinker, but it was just fascinating to walk across the salt as well and feel the crunch of the crust of it. Very cool sculpture in the middle. Pretty funny.
Yeah, so a little bit cold last night. We got the sleeping bags out, nice real warm ones. Snuggled in. Woke up this morning to this. Yeah. Hello.
It's so camouflaged.
There you go. Good, good. Yeah, we're just starting off on a hike, so in a minute. Just starting the 13-kilometre loop the Mount Remarkable summit. Getting out of Melrose, little town, great little place.
Changes in climate. So as we gradually increase our weight, what we're really adding to the sometimes you don't want to use the sticks. They're more dangerous than effective. Nearly lost it.
Yeah.
See, he's up high.
Summit of Mount Remarkable. We've just come past some amazing silo art, probably some of the best silo art I've seen. So we've arrived at this camp near this town. We're the only ones here in this spot. Not sure if you can see the van through over there. We're allowed to have fires tonight. It's a little fire pit, we're gonna grab one. Yeah, just a really nice chill day today. And that's our park up for the night. Another free camp. Not much there. There is a long drop here. Toilet, so it's all good. Yeah, Really nice quiet night.
Good morning from Ippinitchie Camp. It's a little bit chilly. Sorry about the noise.
It's a little bit chilly.
That's the sound. Oh, there we go.
There we go.
That was the sound of our demister.
Almost reversed into a stump.
The van is showing the very low ambient temperature warning light, which means it's under 4 degrees and it's 8 a.m. So, lovely campsite. I know Howie took some shots before, but hang on a minute. Oh, let's turn you round as we leave. Oh.
So it's still demisting at the moment.
Yeah, you can see the long drop toilet block over to the right, but otherwise no other facilities, fully bush camp. Great night. We had a lovely fire. We were lucky, we found firewood somebody had left behind. Had a nice little fire, really peaceful. Free at the moment, but I believe that it's going to become one of the state or national parks in July, and they'll, I'm sure, introduce bookings and fees at that point. But we got in just in time. Ippinitchie, out in the Wirrabara forest.
Just past the silo.
Yeah. And we're going to the bakery now, hopefully. It's open. Oh, let's see some of this forest. Morning light. Wake up in the morning light.
Hey, so we are starting the Alligator Gorge circuit loop at it's a part of the Mount Remarkable area, National Park. That's what I was looking for. Pretty epic little drive in, actually. It's we didn't get any footage because there's another one of those roads where Kath was just
Freaking out.
freaking out.
And he's concentrating on driving. We'll get some footage on the way out.
Yeah, maybe we'll get footage on the way out, but we got to the bottom of the hill, car park here at the trailhead, and yeah, the brakes were smelly. Probably a little bit of smoke coming off them. But then this other car pulled up behind us a short time after, and you could smell their brakes as well. So, you know, it's pretty epic drive in. But another one of these hikes where it's just starting off and you're like, spectacular straight away. Yeah, that's what I mean. Look at this place.
Look at that.
Already. The geology is just...
I'm not sure if we will actually see alligators.
Oh, what? Fucking... ripped off again.
Classic, Howie.
This is just gorgeous, isn't it?
Classic. I'm liking it very much.
You liking it?
I'm like...
You liking this gorgeous walk? That was for you, Ish.
Little fronds. Wow. It's magic. It's like a magic land. Look at that big old tree growing in here. Reaching up for the light. come into this part of the gorge, which is more glade-like. It's mossy. Shrubbery is a bit more lush. And it's opened up. And there are loads of butterflies fluttering about.
This place is just, it's gorgeous, and I don't even care about the pun. It's gorgeous through here. The little addition of the little bonus of the pine tree, of these conifer type of trees, I didn't even know what they are, just really caps it off. We saw on the map, it was saying this section here it's only 2 kilometres long, but it's going to take 2 hours, and we're like, come on. Even for us, and we dawdle around and film and stop and look at small things, and but we got down here and it was like, yeah, no wonder this place takes 2 hours to walk through. If you're ever in this area, you gotta come and hike this. Fairly easy. It's technical, but you don't need to be long distance hikers to get through here.
No, you don't need to wear what we're wearing.
Yeah.
This is for training purposes only.
In fact, we were going to go on a longer loop, about an 8k or 9k loop, which goes around and then comes back through here. But we're sort of about time today, and let's go down into this section first, the harder section, or the section that's going to take longer, and then we'll see how we go. And we've got down here and we've gone, even if we just do this part. Hands down, best day hike.